Very often I am asked about three things. When will speech come? Potty training and school. Potty training started very early on. Training will happen only when the child is aware of his body movements. If the awareness of child is very less, how much ever you train, the child will not be able to tell you potty. So at that point, try to do activities with the child wherein you wait for him to respond. Example, I have kept your t-shirt, he has had his shower and come, and there is no other distraction, and so you're just waiting for him to pick up the t-shirt. It may take 5 minutes, it may take 7 minutes. If you go through the thumb rules which we are describing, the environment has to be presented in such a manner that this child ultimately, because there's nothing else to distract him, he will look at the t-shirt and he'll pick it up. So we are developing some awareness of the environment. So depending on wherever your child is, develop a lot of awareness in the child about his environment first. Then about his own body in relation to that environment. Like when I kick the ball, it goes that far. When I throw the ball, it goes that far. If I push this much, it goes so much. If our mummy sways, I also can sway. If mummy does like this, I can also do. So more and more body awareness. I think that's somewhere autists are able to help them in developing as much body awareness as possible, along with other environmental awareness. So once the awareness level increases, usually the child will be able to give you some form of an indication for potty. From your side, obviously you can help by keeping the door ajar, you can leave the light on, you can model by showing how you're going. You can make the dress comfortable enough that he can remove on his own. You can be present in the bathroom whenever he goes, and then obviously slowly withdraw once he gets comfortable. Do not flush when he's still sitting. Put a little stool for better pressure. These are tips I think you would have anyway got from other places. What you need to understand is that the body awareness is important for potty training, and body awareness in relation to the environment is essential for potty training to happen. So as much as your potty training, do this as well.